and I'm going to show you a real easy cheesy scalloped potato casserole to put together using pretty much your pantry stock. And I thought, I'm going to do this because I've got to work today, and I want to, have it. I'll just shut it off, and then before I go to work, it'll be nice and warm when my husband gets home, because he'll be home shortly after I leave. But anyway, I'm going to put a little kielbasa sausage in here too. So I'll show you. This is my dehydrated potato slices, and this is 3 cups, and I will put a recipe in here too, but this is 3 cups. So I'm just gonna put some of that on the bottom, and I got a nice little 2-quart dish that is greased, and then I'm just gonna put some of these potatoes, some of the sausages on top of these potatoes. My husband loves that. This is really good. Okay, now I'm also going to just layer, I don't know, this is a 3 cheese blend. But I'm going to layer some of it on top of these potatoes, just like so. Okay? Here goes the rest of the potatoes on top of all that. I'm also going to put on that second layer, I got some of my dehydrated onion flakes, which I can't use too many because you can't have too many onions. Oh my gosh, if you could smell those. Those smell wonderful. Okay, so I got that. I'm going to put the rest of my sausage around on there. Okay. Got that. We'll put cheese around here. Set this aside just for a minute, because I'm going to show you this real easy. I got 2 3/4 cups of milk. Okay, and then my little spices here, it's real simple. I've got 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I got, of course, a little bit of garlic, about a half teaspoon of half teaspoon of garlic, and I've got a half a tablespoon of parsley flakes. And then I'm just going to add salt and pepper to it. But this I'm going to put right in this, if I can get it in here, not making a big mess. I just put it all in here, just like so. Put the lid on it and shake the tar out of it. Just shake it all up real good. Okay? I'm going to put a little more cheese right on here. So I like it cheesy. Okay. Now that that's all shook up, got everything layered in there, you're just going to slowly dump this over everything. That should pretty much cover it all. There you have it. Okay? And then on top of that, oh look at that's gorgeous. And on top of that, I got 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to dot around here. And that's it. You can put a little more cheese if you want, which I'm going to, because that's what they love about these potatoes, is the cheese. I can't tell you how much I used. Just use according to however your taste is. Okay? And on top of that, I'm just going to decorate this up a little bit. On top of this, I would just put a few of my green onion tops. These are what I dehydrated. A little bit of salt on the top, a little bit of pepper on the top. I have a little bit more pepper than a little bit. You know me, I love pepper. Anyway, that's it. Then I'm just going to take my lid, I'm going to cover it up. It's going to bake in the oven at 350 for about 40-45 minutes. And when that's done, we'll be back. Before I go though, so I don't forget to tell you, about the last 10 minutes or so, you're going to want to take the lid off so that it browns it up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to stick this in the oven, and I'll be back with you in about 45 minutes. Okay, friends. Oh, I got to turn my oven off. I just literally pulled them out of the oven, and they're still bubbling a little bit. But I took the lid off for about the last 10 minutes so it'd get just a little bit brown. And they're done, and it's that easy. And I'm going to leave them sit out here. I'm not going to cut into them because I want my husband to have, you know, have them when he gets home. And I have to leave for work in a few minutes. So I'm just going to put the lid back on them when the oven cools down a little bit. And I'm going to leave them in there. And when my husband gets back, he can have some dinner. But that's how easy it was. And it's wonderful with the sausage in there and the cheese and the potatoes. They're nice and tender. They're fork tender. So give it a try. You're going to like it. It really is good. And it's easy. And it's from your pantry stock. So there you have it, friends. Another easy meal. Thanks for watching.